Good morning guys, it's around 8:30 in the morning and normally on slower morning like this, I go out and take my breakfast. I like taking my time to eat while catching up on my favorite series or watching a movie. I love how the Victus 16 by HP gives me a very full immersive experience with its large 16.1-inch FHD display together with the 144Hz of screen refresh rate. The color are crisp, matingkad plus nakita ko lahat ng mga detalye on the screen. The sound coming from the laptop speaker is loud and clear. Thanks to the audio tuning by Bang & Olufsen, so pwede akong manood ng kahit walang mga subtitles.
So tapos na tayo sa ating morning routine, meron tayong gagawin sa labas, so tara, let's hit the road. Being a content creator gives me the freedom to work anywhere. Gusto ko naman magtrabaho sa loob ng bahay, but there are times na gusto mo lumabas to catch a breath of fresh air, take some B-rolls, and do quick edit with my Victus 16. There are days na nag-edit ako sa loob ng kotse, and there are days na nasa tabi ako ng dagat, and there are days na nasa tabi ako ng coffee shop. And with the Victus 16 na sobrang portable, I can just simply bring it anywhere, edit anywhere, and upload anywhere. So okay guys, it's afternoon na, and of course gusto natin i-visit ating favorite coffee shop.
Working with raw video and photo files from dumping to editing can put a heavy strain on your laptop because of their large sizes. Alam naman natin when they're shooting 4K and 8K videos, it's pretty large. But the Victus 16 powered by Intel Core i5 processor with performance hybrid architecture that leverage performance cores and efficient core is optimized for many workload types. The upgraded cooling system on the Victus 16 also provides better inflow of air to avoid overheating. And since I'm outside, I must have the HyperX mousepad together with my favorite headphones and the HyperX mechanical keyboard with me to enhance my experience kahit nagtatrabaho ako in a place like this. Complete battle gear dapat. Home sweet home, 8 o'clock pa lang and hindi pa naman tapos ang buong araw. We've just taken a quick rest and right now we'll be doing some lighter stuff as compared sa mga ginawa natin kaninang hapon na medyo mas mabigat. So tara, set up muna tayo. Now, welcome to my studio. I'm pretty sure na nakita nyo itong setup na ito during my live stream, my videos, if you're one of my followers. And normally on evening like this, I spend my time here sa loob na aking studio, checking on the latest tech news and checking what's the latest trend sa technology today. Then I watch videos, I read a lot of articles, which means I always have a lot of tabs open on my browser. Minsan, I browse with multiple windows pa nga. The Victus 16 let me power through all of it without lags and crashes. Kasi it's equipped with the Intel Core i5 processor 14th Gen, which comes with Intel Turbo Boost Max Technology 3.0 frequency. It has an advanced hybrid architecture, meaning it's powered by performance cores, optimized to handle all my needs whether they may be for productivity, katulad ginagawa ko ngayon, or for gaming. And efficient cores na siya, so siya na bahala sa lahat ng background tasks so I can continue working without interruption. The Intel Thread Director works by distributing my workload to either P cores or E cores. So I can write, browse, chat, and stream without any problem. In addition, Intel Wi-Fi 6E technology together with the Omen Gaming Hub that helps streamline tasks, enjoy improved Wi-Fi experience with faster speed, less lag, and enhanced security. And oh, did I mention that Victus 16 run on Windows 11? It's the latest OS release from Microsoft that boasts a faster performance. It also has new features to boost productivity, creativity, and kasama dyan yung full Microsoft Office suite, which makes the Victus 16 a great daily driver for content creator like me. Or actually, kahit for student and working individual, pwede talaga ito. Finally, I'm done. Medyo nantok na ako and it's already 10 o'clock in the evening. I'm glad I was able to do a lot of work with the Victus 16 by HP, letting me go anywhere, do anything with the Intel Core i5 processor. If you want to know more about the Victus 16, check out the official link that I'll be posting on the description box below from Shopee and Lazada. That's it. Thank you for joining me today and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!